airplane! Hello, how can I help you? I want to go on a trip. Do you have any recommendations? Indonesia, United States, Japan. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please put away your tray table. Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete. Please tap on the start button. Please pull the throttle. Please operate the control stick. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way. Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly. I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. On the hook. Tap to reel in. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please remain seated. The restroom is temporarily closed. The safety check is complete, and you did a great job! Tap to equip the magical item! Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly. Let's go and play a football match. We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our head. The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready. Huh? Passengers, the meal service is now starting. I'm done eating. I like the food. Passengers, we will arrive in Japan shortly. This is a great place for a hot spring bath. Before entering a hot spring, we need to wash our body first. Apply soap to get rid of all the bacteria. It's time to rinse. Quickly dry the body with a towel and don't get a cold. Put them into the water. Throw in some hot spring goodies to make our soak even more. Wow! These petals have turned the spring water pink. This herb is good for our body. The water is a bit cold. Let's raise the temperature. Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.